Here are 3 fun facts you might enjoy. 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. It sounds surprising, but botanically, bananas are considered berries. In botanical terms, a berry is a simple fruit with seeds and pulp produced from the ovary of a single flower. By this definition, bananas qualify as berries, while strawberries do not. 2. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The honey's low water content and high acidity are the 2 main reasons. It doesn't spoil. The bacteria that cause food to go off can't thrive in these conditions. 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts pump blood to the gills, where it gets oxygenated, while the 3rd heart pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when an octopus swims, the heart responsible for supplying the body actually stops beating. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel for more fun facts.